One of the best ways to introduce more probiotics into your diet is to make your own yogurt. I'm going to show you today how to make your own yogurt using the Cutting Edge Culture's Yogurt Plus starter culture. The first step, as always, is to sterilize all of your equipment. You'll need a pot, a whisk, a thermometer, and of course your yogurt jar. The Cutting Edge Culture's Yogurt Plus Yogurt Starter is a premium probiotic product. It has 5 unique strains of bacteria, which gives you a really good variety in your homemade yogurt. The specific strains included in this starter culture are S. thermophilus, L. delbrueckii, L. plantarum, L. reuteri, and B. longum. There's a link below if you're looking for more information on this particular starter culture. To get started, pour 2 liters of full cream milk into a pot and gently heat it to 82 degrees Celsius or 180 Fahrenheit. While the milk is heating, make sure you give it a whisk every now and then to stop it catching and burning on the bottom. Once the milk has reached that temperature, remove it from the heat and let it cool to below 38 degrees Celsius or 100 Fahrenheit. Pour the milk into your Luvele yogurt making glass jar. Then you can whisk in 1 package of the Yogurt Plus starter. Put the lid on the jar and then place the jar into your yogurt maker. Pour water into the base up to the tall line indicator and then place the cover lid on. Use the digital control panel to set the temperature to 38 degrees Celsius or 100 Fahrenheit and the time to 7 hours. Then press confirm to begin incubation. Many of our yogurt recipes recommend a 12 to 24 hour incubation. However, you can make a batch of probiotic yogurt in as little as 7 hours. So that's what we're going to do today. Once incubation is complete, place the jar into the fridge to cool and set for at least 6 hours. So that's our probiotic packed dairy yogurt using the Cutting Edge Culture's Yogurt Plus Yogurt Starter. Fermentation only took 7 hours and we've got a really nice, rich, smooth and creamy outcome. Give this one a go for yourself at home. Let us know how you go in the comments section below. And if you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us and we'll see you really soon with another recipe.